Okay, well, if you tried that, the hypotenuse is d1, so Pythagoras' theorem says the hypotenuse squared, d1 squared, equals this side squared, which will be d squared, plus this side squared here, which will be x plus a over 2 squared. Okay? And when we simplify that, we get d1 squared equals d2 squared plus x squared. You can do a little grid here for doing the multiplication out. Okay, so I've got x plus a over 2, and I'm squaring it. So I'm going to get x squared. I'm going to get a over 2 times a over 2 down here, which is a squared over 4. And here I'm going to get a over 2 times x, which is a half ax, and I'm going to get a half ax up there as well. And so these two terms will combine to give me plus just ax, and then plus a squared over 4. Okay, wonderful, good. So now I'm going to do the same thing as promised, but I'm now going to calculate this distance d2, okay, which is the distance from the nearest slit. Okay, so the right angle triangle I now need looks like this. Okay, so maybe I better go over that in another colour. Let's actually just go over that in green. So it's this triangle here that I'm going to be using. Okay, hypotenuse is now called d2. This distance along here is still called d. But now you need to think about how I could calculate this distance. Okay, from the x, which is the separation of the fringes. What do I need to take away from x? So have a think about that, and think if you can set up a similar expression to this, except it will start d2 squared. So have a go at that, and I'll show you how that pans out in the next video.